Here are some fascinating and lesser-known facts about dogs, along with more detailed explanations. 1. Dogs can smell time. Dogs have an extraordinarily powerful sense of smell, around 40 times more sensitive than humans. Remarkably, dogs can smell the passage of time. For example, when someone leaves the house, dogs can detect how their scent fades over time. This ability allows them to anticipate events that occur regularly, like knowing when their owner is about to come home based on the changes in scent intensity. Their sense of smell combined with time perception is unique and still not fully understood by science. 2. Dogs have sweat glands in their paws. While dogs don't sweat through their skin like humans, they primarily cool themselves by panting. However, they do have sweat glands in their paw pads, especially between their toes. On hot days, you might notice damp paw prints left on the ground. These sweat glands help regulate their body temperature, but panting remains their main way of cooling down. 3. Dogs can detect diseases. Dogs have the ability to detect diseases like cancer, diabetes, and even changes in blood sugar levels with their sense of smell. Research has shown that dogs can sniff out certain volatile organic compounds, VOCs, related to cancer at early stages. Some dogs are trained to alert their owners when their blood sugar levels become too high or low. This is why dogs are often used as medical alert companions to detect and warn about health issues. 4. Amazing memory for scents. Dogs have over 300 million olfactory receptors, compared to humans' mere 6 million. And a significant part of their brain is dedicated to processing smells, about 40 times more than in humans. This allows dogs to remember up to 40,000 distinct scents. For example, a dog can detect a person's scent from miles away or amidst other distractions. This incredible ability is why dogs are often used in search and rescue missions or in criminal cases to track individuals. 5. Dogs can see some colors. Though dogs don't have the same color vision as humans, they aren't entirely colorblind. They have 2 types of color receptors in their eyes, compared to humans' 3, which allow them to see shades of blue and yellow. However, red and orange appear more like shades of gray or brown to them. This means that a red ball on green grass might look dull or brownish to a dog, but they can still rely on brightness and contrast to locate objects. 6. Dogs may navigate using Earth's magnetic field. Recent studies suggest that dogs may be able to sense Earth's magnetic field and even align their behaviors based on it. For example, when dogs defecate, they often align themselves along the Earth's north-south axis without even realizing it. While this is a newer discovery and not fully understood, it suggests that dogs have a more complex spatial orientation ability than previously thought. 7. Dogs can sense human emotions. Dogs are experts at reading human body language and emotions. They can sense when you are happy, sad, or anxious. One study showed that dogs could distinguish between a smiling face and an angry one, and they would respond accordingly. For instance, when their owner is happy, dogs are more likely to be playful and joyful. This is one of the reasons why dogs are such great companions for emotional support and therapy. 8. Some dogs don't bark. The Basenji is a unique dog breed that originates from Africa and is known for not barking like other dogs. Instead, they make a sound similar to a yodel, called a baru, because of the unique structure of their larynx. While Basenjis don't bark, they still communicate through other vocalizations like whining or growling. 9. A dog's noseprint is unique. Just like humans have unique fingerprints, every dog has a unique noseprint. The ridges and lines on a dog's nose are distinct and can be used to identify individual dogs if necessary. This feature is akin to using human fingerprints for personal identification. 10. A dog's lifespan is linked to its size. Interestingly, the lifespan of a dog is often related to its size. Smaller dog breeds, like Chihuahuas or Shih Tzus, tend to live longer, sometimes up to 15 to 20 years. On the other hand, larger breeds, such as Great Danes or St. Bernards, typically have shorter lifespans, around 8 to 12 years. This is because larger dogs grow faster and have a higher risk of developing health issues like heart disease and cancer. These details show that dogs are not only loyal companions but also animals with extraordinary abilities that humans are still discovering. They are far more complex and capable than we often realize.